What is email and mobile marketing? Email marketing and mobile marketing are both digital marketing strategies used by businesses to reach out to their target audience and promote their products or services. Email marketing involves sending promotional messages or newsletters via email to a list of subscribers who have opted in to receive communications from the business. These emails may include product promotions, special offers, company news, or other information that the subscribers may find relevant. The goal of email marketing is to build relationships with customers and prospects and to encourage them to take action, such as making a purchase or visiting the business's website. Mobile marketing, on the other hand, refers to marketing efforts that are targeted specifically to mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. This can include SMS or text message marketing, mobile app marketing, and mobile web marketing. The goal of mobile marketing is to reach consumers where they spend most of their time, on their mobile devices, and to provide them with targeted, relevant messaging that will encourage them to take action, such as downloading an app, making a purchase, or visiting a website. Both email marketing and mobile marketing can be highly effective strategies for businesses to connect with their target audience and drive engagement and sales. However, it's important to ensure that these marketing efforts are well targeted and personalized to the specific needs and preferences of the audience to maximize their effectiveness. Email and mobile marketing strategy method tips and tricks. Sure, here are some email and mobile marketing strategy tips and tricks to help you create effective campaigns. Email marketing strategy tips. 1. Build a high-quality email list. Focus on building an email list of engaged subscribers who have opted in to receive your communications. 2. Personalize your emails. Use the subscriber's name and other relevant information to personalize your emails and make them feel more personal. 3. Keep it simple. Keep your email design simple and easy to read, and make sure your call to action, CTA, is clear and prominent. 4. Segment your audience. Segment your email list based on subscriber interests, behavior, and preferences to deliver more relevant messaging. 5. Test and optimize. Use A/B testing to test different email subject lines, content, and CTAs to optimize your email performance. Mobile marketing strategy tips. 1. Optimize for mobile devices. Make sure your mobile marketing campaigns are optimized for mobile devices, including responsive design and mobile-friendly content. 2. Use SMS marketing. SMS marketing can be highly effective for delivering time-sensitive promotions and driving engagement with your audience. 3. Leverage push notifications. Use push notifications to deliver targeted messaging and promotions to users who have downloaded your mobile app. 4. Use location-based marketing. Use geo-targeting and location-based marketing to deliver relevant messaging based on the user's location. 5. Measure and analyze. Use analytics tools to measure the performance of your mobile marketing campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategy. Overall, the key to success with both email and mobile marketing is to deliver relevant and personalized messaging that resonates with your target audience. By focusing on building a high-quality list, personalizing your messaging, and optimizing for mobile devices, you can create effective campaigns that drive engagement and achieve your marketing goals. How to earn with email and mobile marketing. Email and mobile marketing can be effective channels for earning revenue and driving sales for your business. Here are some ways you can earn with email and mobile marketing. Promote products or services. One of the most common ways to earn revenue with email and mobile marketing is to promote your products or services. Use email newsletters or mobile app push notifications to promote your latest products, sales, or special offers. Affiliate marketing. Another way to earn revenue with email and mobile marketing is through affiliate marketing. You can partner with other businesses or brands and promote their products or services to your email list or mobile app users. You earn a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. Sponsored content. You can also earn revenue by including sponsored content in your email newsletters or mobile app push notifications. Partner with relevant brands or businesses to include their content or promotions in your messaging. Email list rental. If you have a large and engaged email list, you can earn revenue by renting your list to other businesses or brands. They can promote their products or services to your subscribers, and you earn a fee for the rental. Mobile advertising. If you have a mobile app, you can earn revenue through mobile advertising. Display ads within your app and earn revenue based on impressions or clicks. Upsell and cross-sell. Use email and mobile marketing to upsell or cross-sell to your existing customers. Promote complementary products or services to encourage them to make additional purchases. Overall, the key to earning revenue with email and mobile marketing is to deliver relevant and valuable content to your audience. By building a loyal and engaged following, You can promote your products or services and earn revenue through various monetization strategies.